there, Milkshakers. Thank you for joining me for Amy's Party Snacks. Today, we're going to make some fruity ice bites. They're really easy to make, super yummy, and cool you down on a hot day. For this, you will need 500 grams of Greek yogurt, half a lime, 200 grams of blueberries, 200 grams of raspberries, a lined baking tray, 200 grams of chopped strawberries, a spoon, a chopping board, a knife. And of course, get a grown-up to help you. Before we start, make sure your hands are really clean. And wipe down all the surfaces that we're going to be working on. Let's get started. Step 1, preparation. We need to wash all of our fruit and then get a grown-up to chop up the strawberries for you. Lovely jubbly. Now it's time for step 2. Let's get making. Now we'll put it all together. So we get our Greek yogurt and spoon it into the lined tray. You can spread it out with your spoon so it fills the whole tray. Then pop on your fruit. Some blueberries. Some strawberries. Drizzle on some honey. And then finally, squeeze on your lime. It's looking yummy. Step 3. And then just pop it in the freezer overnight. It is my favourite time. It's taste time. After it's set in the freezer, it should look like this. Get a grown-up to help you cut it into squares and spoon it into a bowl to enjoy, just like me. Yummy. Why not give it a try yourselves? If you've had a go at this or made anything else in your kitchen, I would love to see your photos. Send them to milkshake@milkshake.tv. Bye for now, Milkshakers. I'll see you next time. Bye.